Hey guys, what's up? It's AppleCritics from AppleCritics.com. In this video, I got some special news about the iPhone 12 and a specific feature that it will have. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So the iPhone 12 will be sporting 6 gigabytes of RAM. So this is a huge feature and it's essentially confirmed by a prolific Apple leaker who has been right multiple times. So this, you can pretty much take it to the bank, as Apple will have 6 gigabytes of RAM in the iPhone 12. Now this makes sense for a multitude of reasons, and in this video I'm going to be showing you why it is pretty much confirmed and we should expect 6 gigabytes of RAM on the iPhone 12. Now the 6 gigabytes of RAM is specifically for the iPhone 12 Pro. So not for the regular iPhone 12, that would be less RAM. So the regular iPhone 12 should have about 4 gigabytes of RAM, but the iPhone 12 Pro will be sporting 6 gigabytes of RAM. Now this specific Apple leaker has been right multiple times, so you can pretty much confirm it. Now there's also another Apple leaker called John Prosser who has been hit or miss, so he's been right sometimes and wrong some other times, and he also is claiming that the iPhone 12 Pro will be sporting 6 gigabytes of RAM, and it will start at 128 gigabytes as the base model of the iPhone 12. And he also said that all iPhone models will have 128 gigabytes of base storage. So that is the initial entry point to the iPhone 12. So the lowest amount of gigabytes you can get is 128 gigabytes. So that's very, very interesting. Now the name of the leaker on Twitter is called Love to Dream, and the tweet that he wrote just is pretty much cut and dry. And he said professional 6 gigabytes and general 4 gigabytes. So that means the 12 Pro is 6 gigabytes and the general regular one is the iPhone 12, which will only be 4 gigabytes. Now it's also noted that the iPhone 12 models will ship with OLED displays, they'll have 5G networking and A14 chipsets, and the primary differences will be in the display sizes and also the cameras and the memory. So the two non-Pro variants of the iPhone, so the regular iPhone 12 will feature 5.4 inch and 6.1 inch displays with a 60 hertz refresh rate, dual camera setups, and 4 gigabytes of RAM, while the high-end iPhone 12 Pro models will feature 6.1 inch and 6.17 screen sizes, and also 120 hertz Pro motion displays, triple camera setups, LiDAR sensors, and 6 gigabytes of RAM. So that's what the iPhone 12 Pros will have. Now, recent rumors of the iPhone 12 also caused a stir because they said that there'd be no charger and no earpods, so those wired headphones will not be in the box, and also no chargers. So that definitely stirred up some reactions about the iPhone 12. Now, by doing that, that's once again just a form of cost saving because of the 5G chip, and also the RAM and all the other parts of the iPhone 12 will be much more expensive. So that's how Apple is just trying to cut costs. So hopefully you thoroughly enjoyed this video on all the new information about the iPhone 12. If you did, be sure to smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, watch all the other videos on my channel. Also be sure to check me out on all the social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. My username there is AppleCritics, and be sure to subscribe for more great content, and thanks for watching.